First idiom is under the weather. What does it mean? It means when someone is sick, ill, or doesn't feel well for some reasons. This is when we use under the weather, which means someone is sick, ill, or doesn't feel well for some reasons. Now your second idiom is it's not rocket science. What does it means? It means when something is not complicated or to not make things more complicated than they need to be. It means something is not complicated or to not make things more complicated than they need to be. So this is what we mean. It's not rocket science. So our third idiom is hang in there. What does it means? When things are getting difficult, but we decide to keep going, keep moving forward, and to not give up. Let's say during COVID-19 crisis, doctors hang in there. They decided to help hundreds of thousands of people. So they decided to keep going, keep moving forward, and to not give up. This is what the idiom hang in there means. So when things are getting difficult, but we decide to keep going, keep moving forward, and to not give up. Now your fourth idiom is bite the bullet. What does it mean? It means something is about to happen. Usually something in a bad or negative way. Means something is negative. Something negative or something bad or some odd thing is about to happen. So this is what the bite the bullet means. So bite the bullet means something's about to happen, usually something in a bad or negative way. Now your fifth idiom is better late than never. It means it is better to do something a day late, a week late, than to never do it at all. This expression is often used to convey a sense of relief or approval when a long awaited action or event finally takes place, emphasizing that the delay is acceptable compared to the alternative of it never happening. So, better late than never means better to do something a day late, a week late, than to never do it at all. Now, your sixth idiom is go back to the drawing board. It means we have to do it or begin all over because something was not done right for the first time. It means it implies a recognition that the current plan needs to be scrapped or revised and a fresh start or a new approach is required to achieve success. It is an acknowledgement that the existing method or idea is not working and a willingness to re-evaluate and redesign for better results. Now our idiom is we will cross that bridge when it gets here. What does it mean? It means we address the problem when it arises and not worry about it beforehand. What does it mean? The means is the focus is on addressing issues as they come, dealing with them when they become a reality, and not expending unnecessary concern or energy on hypothetical problems. So this is what we call we will cross that bridge when it gets here. Okay. Our eighth idiom is speak of the devil. It is used when someone is mentioned and then shortly afterward that person appears. Let's say your friend, you are talking about your friend, and then shortly afterward that friend appears in front of you. That means speak of the devil. So you are talking about your friend and that friend suddenly appears in front of you. So speak of the devil. Now our idiom is that's the last straw. What does it mean? When your patience is wearing thin or you are completely out of patience with someone or something, this is when we use that's the last straw idiom. It also means it is now the point at which you can no longer tolerate the irritating or unacceptable occurrences. So your patience is wearing thin and you are completely out of patience with that irritable or unacceptable occurrences. That is when we use that's the last straw idiom. Okay. Our last idiom is don't let the cat out of the bag. Now, this idiom is a cautionary expression used to maintain secrecy or suspense. It also means advising someone not to disclose a secret or to reveal confidential information. So, don't let the cat out of the bag means don't disclose a secret or reveal confidential information. So, we have discussed all the top 10 most famous American idioms, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Happy learning, happy idioming.